Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Today we're going to go over something very special that gets a lot of attention if you're a Creed Aventus fan. Do the batch variations really matter? Is there enough difference between them to have all the fuss and the hoopla? We've got 9 different batches here that we're going to go over, and we're going to get my opinion and her opinion to see if it actually matters. I'm your host, Cameron Byrd, and let's welcome back special guest Desiree Judd. Thank you so much for coming back. We've had a lot of viewers that have asked for her presence, and she has been gracious enough to come back on. She really enjoyed the Creed Aventus. A lot of you have seen the battle that duked down to Creed Aventus and Parfums de Marley Layton. It actually got a lot of mixed reviews. Some of you guys didn't think that Layton should have taken the belt. So we're going to show you that we're not biased, and we're going to show the attention that you think should go towards Creed Aventus. But do the batches really matter? There's so many different batch variations. There's specific groups in Facebook that's all they talk about is batch variations. The birch, the apple, the pineapple, if it's sweet enough, if it's smoky enough. The vanilla, is it vanilla heavy? There's so many different things that people are concerned with. So I've not really been all that concerned with it myself. I have smelled a couple different batches that, you know, I did notice a big enough difference that I liked one better than the other, but we've got 9 different batches here. Okay, before we get into it, I want to give a shout out and show some love to some people who helped us get this many different batches of Creed Aventus. My brother Aaron Byrd, Gary Zeman, and Sarub Sina. They were all very gracious in loaning some of these fragrances to us so we can have this batch battle today. Okay, just so you guys know what we're working with, I'm gonna read off the batches that we have. We have 17T01, 17W01, 17X01, 18B01, 17Y02, 16L01, 18B11, 18G11, and 18K01. I know that may sound like a lot of gibberish to some of you guys, but for the people who are really passionate about this fragrance, it matters. So let's see if it matters to us. We're gonna spray these down. We will allow the dry down on each one and give our analysis and see if we both agree that we like one in particular, or we'll get it down to where she has a favorite and I have a favorite. Okay, we're gonna get things started with batch 17T01, and we will do a time elapse of us doing this so you don't have to sit here and watch us spray them and do the dry down and all that. And then we'll come back after we have the dry downs good enough to where we can smell each one, and we'll give a rating on each one. Okay, we're gonna start with 17T01. This one is supposed to be a little less vanilla in it, so let's see if we can even tell that.
I really like that one.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I do too, but there's a couple other ones that I know that have the bigger pineapple note. Those are the ones I like a lot, but like I said, everybody's opinion is different. Some of them like heavy on the birch, heavy on the apple, heavy on the vanilla. I like them heavy on the pineapple, so let's just see where that goes. All right, next one's gonna be 17W01.
I think I like that one better.
You like that one better than the first one? Okay, well let's put a little check mark beside the 17W01. All right, this one is 17X01. I like that one.
I still like the second one.
You like the second one? All right, so I'm just gonna put an X for me, and we'll put a check mark for you. All right, the next one is 18B01. That one's like, you can smell the vanilla in that one.
This one's my favorite.
Yeah.
So far, that's my favorite.
Mine too. So everybody does talk about how much they like the 18 batches, and I do agree because I've smelled some 16s, some 17s. I haven't been fortunate enough to get in any of those holy grails like in the 13s or anything, but these 18 batches did turn out good. And this is 18B01 that we both liked. Yeah, that one's nice. All right, this one is, this is 17Y02. That one's nice.
I like that one too.
Do you like it better than the 18B01?
No.
Okay. So I'm just gonna circle that one until somebody can do, I'll do that one. All right, let's see. I think this one, this one's 16L01. It's a little bit different. I mean, you can actually tell the differences in it. It's crazy.
I think that one's still
18B01. Okay. All right, so we got 3 left. We've got 18G11. That was nice too.
It's not my favorite.
Not better than that other one. Nope, I don't think so either. All right, and 18B11.
I still like the other one
Really?
better.
Okay.
I do.
It's kind of a toss. I don't know. I might have to respray that one. I don't know. But the other one, I mean, we both agreed on that one, so that might be the consensus. All right, last one, 18K01.
It smells good.
Yeah.
But I still like the other one.
Yeah? So, okay. I think that let me just, let's see what I say. Yeah, this one right here. I'm going to spray this one again to see if I like it better than the 18B01. I'm still thinking the 18B01, especially since both of us liked it. And I'm doing it on the opening nose, guys. I know what it smells like. And we were back to this one, yep. Yeah. We're gonna agree on that one. I mean, it would have been cool if we, had a difference of opinion, but I have to say that I like the 18B01. That's our favorite batch. So what this is gonna turn into is a DNA battle. We are gonna have another episode where we take our champion, 18B01, and put it up against fragrances like Elysium and HTTP from Bond, and also some clones and inspired fragrances like 11Z and 13ZZ and Club de Nuit Intense, man, different fragrances like that, and see if Creed still remains the champion. I mean, they're the ones that originated this DNA. Elysium came out in 2017. Aventus came out in 2010. So there's been a lot of fragrances who have been influenced that actually were, evolved into different fragrances or whatever, but they do have that Creed DNA. So we'll see indeed if Creed Aventus is the king. Today's episode was brought to you by myfragrancesamplers.com. Be sure to use our discount code CFR15 for you to get 15% off of all your fragrance needs. Okay, again, I would love to thank everybody that helped us get all these batches. Desiree, thank you so much for coming back on, and she has promised to come on a couple more episodes with us, so special treat there for that. You'll just have to figure out when it is, so stay tuned. Make sure you have been subscribed and you're hitting that notification bell so you don't miss it. But we have crowned 18B01 as our favorite batch out of all, we got 9 different batch variations here, and 18B01 did it for both of us. So Creed Aventus. Something cool that I read about Creed Aventus is it was actually a formula that was made by father and son. You know that Creed is a family-owned business. I think that's kind of a cool thing that a dad and his son went through this and come up with this really, I would say it's a classy scent, it's sexy, it's seductive, it's a very versatile fragrance. I do think it should get the praise that it does. And we appreciate your time. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notifications bell. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.